Good morning, everyone. This is Rafi, your mother hustler. And this morning, pasensya na kayo, nakapantulog pa ako. This morning, I just finished Ricky Lee's trip to Quiapo from iWant TV. And may I say, as usual, ang galing pa rin ni Sir Ricky Lee. Ang dami ko pa rin natutunan kahit na I've been in that workshop for years now. I mean, like, ilang years na ba? Parang almost 10 years. 10 years ako huling sumali sa workshop na yon, and refresher siya. It's a refresher for me. And for those of you who do not have an idea about Sir Ricky Lee's workshop, it's about writing for, script writing for movies. Okay. And for those of you who don't know, my first job right after college is as a writer I was a writer trainee under the content development group from StarCinema. StarCinema is the film production arm of ABS-CBN. Yes. So, I kinda miss the people. Kumusta kayo? Shout out. Like, uso-uso talaga yung shout out. Shout out, shout out. So, let me just share with you some of my pictures. This one is just out from Facebook lang talaga. Sobrang konti lang pala ng pictures ko nun. So, ito, kasama ko sila. Oh my gosh! Na-miss ko na sila. Si Ma'am Amor nandyan. Si Kanika. Hello. Si Chi. At saka si Miss Vanch. Naku! Ang tagal na nito. This was like 10 years ago. So, they are si Miss Amor, mentor ko yan from StarCinema. Doon ko siya na-meet. And then, of course, yung mga kasabayan ko sa sa CDG, grabe, mga big time na ngayon. Si Direct Prime Cruz. Ayan, if you guys have, I'm sure you have seen one of his films. Si Jen, yan, yung mga, as in, hardcore writers talaga natin, ang gagaling. So, ito lang yung mga pictures ko with them. Ano ba yan? So, yan, si Athena, si Kanika, si Melay. Kumusta kayo, guys? Wow. Okay, so, ayan. So, sila Chi, si Raymond, Simon. Ay, wow. Okay, so, time really flies and I do miss them so much. So, back to my review. Back to my review for Ricky Lee's trip to Quiapo. Okay, trip to Quiapo is a book. It's a script writing manual written by Ricky Lee himself. So if you want to know more about him, and dami niyang info from Wiki. But he's one of the pillars of Philippine cinema because he wrote one of the best uh, uh, Filipino movies. Okay, when I say best, yung talagang maganda yung kwento, no? At buo ang kwento. And then so when I was 10 years ago, when I attended this workshop, honestly, I was too young. I was too young. And sabi nga doon sa workshop ng trip to Quiapo sa iWant TV, ang dami ko pang kulang. Hindi pa ako buo. Well, right now, hindi pa rin naman ako buo. Pero, mas masasabi ko na sa pagiging writer, buhay talaga ang magtuturo sa'yo kung paano magsulat. Buhay talaga. So, no, 10 years ago, I was still very young and I must admit, wala pa ako talagang substantial na maisusulat nun kasi I was very focused on the form. Yan, like all fresh graduates, gusto ko nung time na yon dekahon. Kasi, di ba, in order for you to break out of the box, you must know the box. dapat alam mo kung ano yung sisirain mo, 'di ba? So at that time, honestly, naka-focus ako sa form. And I was one of the 3 writers na binanggit ni Ricky Lee sa kanyang workshop. So I'm gonna show it to you. Okay. So yung iWant TV ng trip to Quiapo, so this one, this is just 5 episodes, and meron siyang it's just around 15-20 minutes per episode, and per episode may topic, of course. Episode 1 about the 3 kinds of writers. Episode 2, tao sa loob at tao sa labas, or the want versus the need of the character. Episode 3 is about writing the protagonist or yung bida. Episode 4, oh my gosh, hi Arjo. Okay, sobrang uh, side note. Nag-commercial kasi itong trip to Quiapo. Kapag nanonood kayo ng live stream ng ABS-CBN tuwing gabi sa news. So nakita ko si Arjo. Sabi, nagsuwali siya sa workshop ni Ricky Lee. So syempre, thank you, Arjo. He inspired me to watch this again. Kahit na meron na akong kopya noong trip to Quiapo na script writing manual. So yan. Episode 4, tungkol sa premise or tungkol saan yung kwento. And then finally, episode 5, yung creative process. So when you guys watch this, you will see that it is an actual workshop. And the producers of this show just took the bits and pieces yung pwedeng ma-share sa atin, syempre. Now, take note, you have to be a premium member of iWant TFC for you to access all 5 episodes. So if you're a free member or if you just downloaded it as for free, yung first episode lang yung mapapanood ninyo. And also the reason why I purchased the premium kasi mura lang siya. It's just 115 pesos, and para na akong nag-workshop without me having to leave my house. Although iWant TV, if you're listening right now, a few notes, okay? A few comments from me. First is, medyo nahirapan ako i-access yung premium version nung iWant. So, nalaman ko lang siya na I have to open it from Google Play, tap on the new app, tas tsaka lang ako mapupunta sa premium. Hindi siya, so when I buy the premium, hindi siya basta mag-a-upgrade to premium. Kailangan pumunta pa ako sa Google Play and to tap that button. Okay, so yun, medyo hassle yun. Pangalawa is, sorry, pero I'm talking from a Netflix viewer point of view. So, pag may, kasi sobrang busy ko, 'di ba? So, pag meron akong episode na kailangan i-pause, when I go back to the laptop or from the cellphone, hindi siya bumabalik doon sa kung saan ko siya pinos. So, I had to choose the video again and then rewind or forward. So, yun, another hassle. And unfortunately, may times din kasi na I had to change viewing from my phone to the laptop, and hindi rin siya seamless. So, pag naiwan mo dito, hindi siya nagre-reflect sa account ko um, online. So, but guys, that's okay. Just a small hassle to pay for. Oh, teka, may alarm, 6 o'clock na pala. Yeah. So, just a small hassle to pay for kasi um, maganda naman yung content. Okay? So, that's it. What else? So, as a, what else can I say? Okay, so, content-wise, ganda. Walang nasayang, walang nasayang na minuto kasi sobrang malaman ng bawat episode. Meron at meron kang maisusulat sa notes mo and may I say na ang ganda lang nung idea na nandun si Enchong D, yung character niya because he represents the writer in the workshop, in all of us. So, ang ganda nung examples, the struggles he's going through, no? Kasi syempre sa workshops kailangan ng examples, 'di ba? Syempre, bitin siya, bitin kasi ang dami pang pwedeng matutunan. And if you take a peek in Sir Ricky Lee's blackboard, yung ginagamit niya na whiteboard, ang daming notes, ang daming notes. So, alam ninyo na marami pa talaga siyang tinuturo na hindi kasama doon sa video. So, sana mag-offer ng online workshop si Ricky Lee, di ba? And not only for screenwriting, you might be thinking na, ba't ako manonood niyan? Hindi naman ako magsusulat para sa pelikula. Ang kwento ay kwento. Storytelling is an art. It's an art and you can definitely apply it anywhere else. So, lalo na ngayon, most of you are YouTube storytellers, pwede nyo pa rin i-apply yan dyan. Okay? And if you want to write a novel, you can apply the basics as well. Kasi basic lang din naman yung tinuturo ni Sir Ricky Lee, but it has substance, definitely. And meron siyang examples. He has all the experience to back it up. Diba? Ang ganda. Alright? So, maikling review lang because I'm really excited that I finished it. And hopefully you can too because it has really nice content. Okay? So thank you. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe and comment below kung ano pa yung mga gusto ninyo na i-review ko, libro, ganyan. Libro, kasi syempre yun naman lagi ko yung binabasa because yun nga, at mahilig ako magsulat. So, again, daldal ko na naman. Please like and subscribe. Bye!